In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Discord Party Mode. If you've ever wanted Discord to feel a little more celebratory, Party Mode is a quick way to add fun visual effects while you're using the app. This method works best on the desktop app or the web version, so that's where we'll focus. Make sure you're logged into the correct account and that your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Start by opening Discord on your computer or in your browser. Once it's open, look toward the bottom left corner of the window. You'll see a small gear icon labeled User Settings next to your avatar and username. Click that gear to open your personal settings. This is where all your account, appearance, and billing options live, so it's the hub for tweaks like Party Mode. Inside User Settings, move to the left-hand sidebar and find either Nitro or Subscriptions. The wording can vary slightly depending on updates, but they lead you to the same place. You don't need an active subscription just to visit this section. It's simply where Discord centralizes features and promotions related to Nitro and similar perks. On that page, look for the Party or Celebration button. It's typically highlighted with a festive icon so it stands out. Click it and Party Mode activates instantly. There's no extra confirmation required. You should notice celebratory visuals kick in right away, which is your signal that the mode is live. From here, just use Discord as you normally would and enjoy the playful effects that show up as you interact. If you click the button and don't see anything, give it a second. Make sure your window isn't minimized and check that hardware acceleration or animation settings in your system aren't blocking effects. Some effects can be subtle depending on your theme and window size, so try expanding the window if it feels cramped. Keep in mind that features can roll out gradually, so if the Party or Celebration button isn't visible in your Nitro or Subscription section, it may not be available in your client build yet. Updating the app and refreshing the page can help. To recap, the process is straightforward. Open Discord on desktop or web, click the User Settings gear at the bottom left, head to Nitro or Subscriptions, and then click the Party or Celebration button. That's all it takes to turn on Party Mode and bring a bit of sparkle to your Discord experience. Enjoy the celebration and have fun exploring the effects as you chat, browse servers, and hang out with your community.